What is up? I'm going to show you right now how to replace a quarter window on Dodge Caravan. Here we go. There's no window, just a plastic for now. And let's get begin. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell and you won't miss any videos. Let's get begin. To replace the window, we need to first remove the seat belt. There is a 14mm nut behind that cover. We need to replace that trim panel, one on the bottom like that, below the window, and on the opposite side. Alright, we're pretty much straightforward, and I would like to cover every important step and you won't miss anything. Our 14mm socket, let's remove that nut. Now time to remove the interior trim panel, like so. You just pull it out and you can see now we have access to those three 10mm bolts at the lock. There's a latch. We need to undo those three 10mm screws. Remove one, two, and third one just loose and let it stay still in. You don't want a window fall out. As you can see, more screws. Okay, there's a Phillips screws we need to remove. There's a bunch of them. And also pay attention how everything is assembled. Pry that speaker cover panel, or very simple, just the clips, and there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more Phillips screws. And we're taking the replacement part at the junkyard. There's a same window we need for Dodge Grand Caravan, and same tutorial can be applied for 2001 up to 2007 Dodge Caravan, Dodge Grand Caravan, or Chrysler Town and Country. Here we go. There is a two more Phillips screws on the side. Remove them. Okay, now we're ready to pull that panel. There's also you can undo the seat belts on the bottom, but it's unnecessary. Okay, it's easier for us to get access. Undo those 21mm bolts, and for one seat belt and another side as well. That will make our easier. Undo those ones, and now we're ready to remove that panel. Okay, panel is removed. Okay, one more bolt. There's a 21mm bolt at the top. Undo that one. Easy with the impacts. And pull the plastic trim. Okay, that panel removed, and as you can see, there's a 10mm nut and another one on the bottom for the hinges. Be careful not to drop the nut inside because it can happen, and pay attention to that and you will be fine. Okay, 1 and 2. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, so just please leave them down in the comments below and we'll try to help you. Okay, if you have somebody to hold the window, it's great. If not, you just keep it. Make sure it won't fall in and remove it like that. Here's what I said, just keep that third 10mm screw, make sure window won't fall out. Okay, here we go. Our replacement windows exactly the same, tinted for Dodge Grand Caravan. Pay attention to that because Caravans are shorter. Okay, there is our cardboard temporary farm fix window style. Now time to remove the nice sealed duct tape and cardboard. Peel it out and remove what exactly you try to do. Just seal the hole. Okay, as you can see, we need to install the new one, and I already disassembled the panels and vacuum a little bit more around. If you found any glass, you can clean that dirt, and of course you already cleaned inside all that glass, but Do it one more time. Okay, place the new window which you removed or you both already removed, but you got an idea. Okay, make sure those hinges studs are straight into those holes. Let someone just push it window in, make sure one fall, and started those 10mm bolts by hand. 1, 2, 3, and also that bracket is a adjustment for the how tight window will be locked. You can push it, you can adjust it, but that's will come at the end. Start it by hand. You don't need to tie them right now, just leave it like that, few threads. And there is a little trick, make sure one lose a nut inside. Just use a electrical tape, just put it in a socket like that and press the nut in, and it won't fall inside. If it will fall in, you won't be able to find it, I promise you. Very hard, cannot see anything. And start it by hand. No power tools should be used, because if you will over torque, that glass will shatter and you won't, well, you will need to find another one. Just hand tools at this time. Okay, same thing for the bottom. You want to lose the nut, because you probably don't have a spare one. If you do, you're fine, but that way you're good and safe to go. Yeah, thanks for so much guys for watching, and it's a simple, easy job. And yeah, if it will help at least someone, one person or yeah, more people, I'm so happy, and it will be awesome. Yeah, and thanks so much for watching and for your time. And yeah, if you have any questions, yeah, you can ask. And now we don't need the electrical tape, just a ratchet. It's 3/8 ratchet, and we need to tie the knot. Make sure you won't over tie it, like so. Grab at the head of the ratchet and turn until it's snag, stop, and a little bit more. It's all good enough. You don't want to crack the window. Okay, one more on the bottom, same way as we just did at the top. As you can see, it's just more about doing it right and removing those panels. Window itself is pretty easy, only 5 fasteners. Okay, we're at the handle, where's the latch? Tie those ones. As I said, you can just push it towards the end of the van and adjust it how tight window will be locked, but at this position it's all already set. Here we go. You can check also, make sure it's aligned and no gap. You can adjust a little bit and you'll be fine. As you can see, all in place, and window is just like its factory, all fit, gap is even, and no more noise and moisture. And open it up. It's for good ventilation. At summertime they're great. You can crack them open and have a nice fresh air get in. Okay, panel back, and of course, because you will remove the seat belts, make sure you torque all those seat belts fasteners properly for the safety of your passengers. All 4 of those fasteners, torque them, and you're good to go. Look at that beauty. We assembled everything. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you would like to support my small channel, please go and watch this video, or you can watch that one or that one on the bottom. And please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much again, and have a safe drive and enjoy the holidays. Alright, see you soon, and bye bye.